What up, it's I'm Jobo. Welcome to another video in channel. Before we start, check my social and subscribe for more content like this. And today, we're at to Jisoo's Earthquake dance performance video. I'm very excited to see a performance. Obviously, we've seen the music video for Earthquake, absolutely unreal. But I'm excited to see the dance performance. So let's go, Jisoo Earthquake dance performance. Let's freaking go. Let's get into it.
It hits me like an earthquake. 더 빠르게 my heart race. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm gonna.
Yeah, shout out to the cameraman, bro. The camera work already is incredible. I'm not gonna lie. The camera work already is actually cold.
널 부정할 수 없게.
I like the quick movements around here.
널 부정할 수 없게.
The little shoulder movements, okay? I like her outfit, little race car prints on her bottoms. Okay.
It hits me like an earthquake.
I'm obsessed with this dance choreo. I'm not gonna lie. I'm absolutely obsessed with this dance choreo. Jisoo looks absolutely unreal as usual. God damn, bro.
It hits me like an earthquake. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand. 널 부정할 수 없게. I think I'm
She makes every move look so freaking good. She makes every move look so freaking good. But, oh my god, I love that part. I'm not gonna lie. I love that part. I'm not gonna lie. That voice, bro, absolutely beautiful. Oh my god.
It hits me like an earthquake.
We're getting all them angles, bro. Shout out to the cameraman. Oh my days, we're getting all the angles. Yeah, Jisoo's actually killed it with the dance choreo for this. I'm not gonna lie. It's so nice to watch.
It's me like
oh my, that little pulling kind of thing is so cool. Oh my days.
It hits me like an earthquake. 온몸이 떨려 can't stand.
Yeah, Jisoo is absolutely blowing me away, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Such elegance in a dancing, bro. I'm telling you, just each movement just so freaking good. Wow. You can see the confidence in each move as well. There's no doubt anyway. She knows exactly what move she's got to do. And yeah, wow. Absolute W track, W song, W dance video. Yeah, shout out to Jisoo. This is unreal. Absolutely unreal. The camera work and the camera angles, yeah, next levels. Absolutely next levels. Shout out to whoever's doing the camera work, cause bro, we're getting all them angles of Jisoo. We're getting all them angles. I am telling you. Yeah, shout out Jisoo, bro. She's absolutely cooked with this song Earthquake, and as well as the album. All bangers. All absolute bangers. Yeah, yeah, unreal. I don't know what else to say. She's done all the talking with her performance. I don't know what else to say. Unreal. God damn. I had the intro a lot. The intro to the performance was really nice. Wow. The lighting as well. The lighting really added to the performance as well. The lighting. Shout out to dancers as well. They did their thing. The lighting really added to the performance as well. Yeah, wow. What can Jisoo not do, bro? Jisoo can sing, dance. What can she not do? The visuals. I had the beat. The beat for Earthquake goes so freaking hard. It's actually crazy. Wow. Also, I gotta talk about Jisoo's hair, bro. The curls. Jisoo with curls, yeah. Next freaking levels, I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. Looking freaking stunning, bro. I'm telling you. God damn, yeah. Jisoo with curls. Unreal. She can pull off any hairstyle, I'm telling you. She can pull off anything and she look absolutely unreal. But that's our reaction to Jisoo's Earthquake dance performance video. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section. Jisoo cooked. Absolutely cooked with this dance video. Let me know what you guys thought. It's Jobo, Jisoo Earthquake dance performance. Jobo set. So Jobo, see you guys next one. Peace out.